What's up YouTube? This is a quick video on how to disconnect the auger from the tractor. So here we go. So first you're going to start off with disconnecting the PTO. So you just want to climb under here, want to pull this knuckle back, just disconnect it, maybe slide it in a little bit. Perfect. What that does, it allows you to come up here. You can just lower this a little bit. Nice and slow. Just take some of the weight off. Alright. Got your cotter pin. This will become free once you disconnect this pin. Trusty bench over here to keep it off the ground. We'll do our own thing. Next thing you're going to want to do, take off these cotter pins. So, you can let it go all the way down. Give yourself a little bit of room here. And that's how you remove the 3-point auger from the John Deere 1025R. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe, comment, like, give me a thumbs up. Appreciate it much.